Good morning, everyone. Today, on this meaningful occasion of Meira Paibi Foundation Day 2025, we gather to honor the courage, sacrifice, and wisdom of Meira Paibi, the torch-bearing mothers of Manipur. It is the symbol of truth, peace, and fearless motherhood. They have stood firm during the darkest time in Manipur history, protecting society, culture, and human dignity. When violence threatened, Meira Paibi rose not with weapons, but with courage and moral strength. When injustice tried to silence the people, they become the voice of the voiceless. Their peaceful resistance has shown the world that real power lies in unity, compassion, and truth. On this Foundation Day, we remember that the Meira Paibi movement is not only about protest, it is about social responsibility. It teaches us discipline, respect of law, care for our youth, and protection of women and children. It reminds us that every citizen has a dignity and duty to build a peaceful and just society. Dear friends, today's generation must carry forward this legacy. Let's learn from the Meira Paibi how to stand for what is right, how to solve the conflict through dialogue, and how to serve the society selflessly. On this special day, I salute all Meira Paibis, emerging, past and present. Your light continue to guide Manipur towards peace and harmony. Let's pledge to keep these thoughts bearing bright for justice, for unity, and for the future of Manipur. Long live the spirit of Meira Paibi. Long live Manipur. Thank you.